Shalom, welcome back. I have another delicious recipe waiting for you guys. Welcome back. As you guys can see from the title of this video, this is the first time ever chicken Caesar pasta salad. We're going to go ahead and start out with 2 chicken breasts freshly washed, and we're going to cut this down into bite sizes. By the way, have you guys already liked, shared, and also subscribed to this channel? If you guys haven't done so, my strong advice is to do so, because I make a lot of delicious recipes just like this one. Getting right back into the video. After you've cut this down into bite sizes, what you're going to do is transfer it over to a plate and get it ready for seasoning. All the seasonings and the measurements will be down below in my description box. What we're going to do is get this started with 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And by the way, all these seasonings are optional. You could definitely change it up and mix it up if you like to. We're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And quick tip, you can also enjoy this during Sabbath meals. 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, because this meal can be definitely enjoyable whether it's hot or it's cold. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So I hope you guys definitely enjoy this. And then with 1 tablespoon of garlic and herb. After you've mixed the garlic and herb in, what we're going to do is give this a quick mix. And we're going to set this off to the side to go ahead and just marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now while the chicken is marinating for that 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to get our cast iron pan ready. Now you do not have to use a cast iron pan. It can be any regular pan, and I'm just going to lightly coat this with olive oil. You can definitely use grapeseed oil or any other oil of your choice. We're just going to coat the bottom of this pan to make sure that the chicken can cook within it. And once the 10 minutes is up, we're going to add our chicken over into this cast iron pan, and we're going to cook it for approximately about 15 to 20 minutes. Just make sure you keep a watchful eye on your stove, because sometimes there are different stoves, such as gas and electric. They cook differently. And with that, it could be either shorter or longer, but I'm going to show you the steps. As you can see on the screen, I've been cooking the chicken for now approximately about a good 10 minutes. And as you can see, the chicken is now starting to take that tint of lightly brown, and that's what you want to see. Go ahead and make sure you're always consistently stirring the chicken. You do not want this chicken to be dry, nor you don't want it to be burnt. So that's my strong advice. And once all of the chicken has cooked and has that tint of light brown to it, which took me about 20 minutes to do, you're going to go ahead and remove it. And as you guys can see on the screen, that's the tint of brown that I'm referring to. Now I'm also going to be cooking some pasta noodles. And I just added 4 cups, brought the water to boil, and now I'm just going to go ahead and make sure those completely cook. I'm also going to be adding some beef bacon to this recipe. You guys can always switch it up and not decide to add it, but it definitely enhances the flavors. And with my beef bacon, I like to add garlic salt and black pepper too. Now mind you, I am just adding a pinch of both of them. A pinch of garlic salt and a pinch of black pepper. That is all. Because beef bacon tends to be a little salty sometimes, so I don't want to over salt it. And we're just going to cook this up until this is completely crispy. I definitely like crispy bacon. I don't know about you, but I know I do. And once that's done cooking and the pasta is done cooking, you're going to strain the pasta and run it under cold water so the pasta can be done with cooking, by the way. And just remember, with cast iron pans, you always want to continue to stir because it will burn. Trust me, I've made that mistake and you don't want to make the same. Once the pasta and everything is done, what we're going to do is now add it to a bowl. So I've added my strained pasta, and now I'm going to be bringing in that chicken and that crispy bacon. And I'm definitely going to show you guys how to make a Caesar salad dressing from scratch that doesn't have anchovies. I don't know about you, but I'm not with that. So, with that being said, super simple. All you will need is just mayonnaise, in which I'm going to show you in just a second. So I tend to use the Hellmann's mayonnaise, and I use a good 1 heaping spoon. Now, if you guys really want to have this nice and flavorful, go ahead and add 1 heaping spoon and a half. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to give this a quick drizzle of mustard. Trust me when I say this. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And like I said, all of the ingredients will be in the description. And then we're also going to go in with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Now, I know a lot of y'all, including myself, have a hard time pronouncing that, so I'll leave it in the description. And then we're just going to go in with a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and a pinch of onion powder and a pinch of garlic powder, no more than that. Okay? This recipe is packed with multiple flavors and layered with many different flavors, so don't overdo the seasoning, okay? Once you guys have mixed this, it's definitely optional. You can add these shredded Parmesan flakes on top, and voila. I also like to add some crushed red peppers because it just intensifies the flavor, and I love it. But trust me, I know you will love it too. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, share, and also subscribe. Not only that, go check out other videos that I do have, because if you love this video, you'll definitely love the other ones. And not only that, but stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Shalom.